Hi, in front of me is HUAWEI P Smart 2021, and today I would like to show you how to set up screen lock on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down and choose Biometrics and Password. Then lock screen password. Click on Change Unlock Method and pick one of the options. I will go with Pattern. So now I have to draw it again and tap Done. Do you want to add fingerprint? If you do, click Add, but I don't, so I will go with Cancel. And now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!